Hello you guys, so today I'm going to be doing this glow-in-the-dark Halloween makeup mask. I start the look by applying a super thin layer of foundation because the extra layer of foundation between the face paint and the skin helps to blend everything so much better. Also, today I'm going to be using face paint from PaintGlow. It's super affordable, gentle on the skin, it's not tested on animals, and it glows incredibly in a black light. So start the look by drawing some guiding lines. Use your fingers and find a place where your cheekbone starts, how your jawbones are curving. Just inspect your face and follow your natural bone structure, because believe me, it helps to create the most realistic looking skull mask ever. For the guiding lines, I used a simple neutral colored lip pencil, but of course you can use a concealer or a waterline pencil or just anything in neutral color you have. And now the fun part starts. Squeeze some blue face paint in a clean dish and start applying it with your fingers. When I was testing this look previously, I noticed the brush leaves some bad looking streaks, so I prefer applying the paint with my fingers, because that way you can achieve a super even coat of a color. Next, I'm using yellow, and when you apply a new color, just try to avoid touching previously applied colors. The area in between your eyes or the edges might be a bit tricky, so use a small brush to cover the small and complicated areas. Next, take a damp beauty blender, put some blue color in it and work the color right in between where blue and yellow meet. It helps to blend the colors so well and also adds a really interesting texture. And mixing blue and yellow makes a beautiful green in the middle. Red was the third color I was planning to use, but somehow he sent me a deep orange, so yeah guys, I used orange instead of red. Again, work the brush only on the edges and then apply the color with your fingers. Lastly, for the skull, I used some purple. So overall you need 4 colors for the skull: blue, yellow, red and purple. And for the teeth, I'm gonna be using some green later, so in total 5 colors to create this look. If you messed up a bit, you can always use a makeup removing wipe to clean the mess. Next, I take the black eyeliner and draw the teeth. You have 32 teeth in total, so you draw 8 teeth on each quarter of the mouth. I used a small detailing brush and a green color to paint the teeth. Don't forget to draw long and creepy teeth roots. Yeah, of course, it takes a bit of time, but it's definitely worth it. While the face paint is still drying, it's time to use a lot of black. So I take a matte black eyeshadow and color every single spot of my skin that isn't covered with the face paint. Work everywhere except around the teeth because they still need to dry out a bit. Next, I use a small lip brush and I fill the gaps between my new green teeth with a black eyeshadow. It's super important to do this only when the face paint has dried completely, because you don't want to mix the color and the eyeshadow together. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes for the paint to dry. Okay, and finally I'm doing just few finishing touches, filling less colored gaps and so on. Then I take my hair in a high ponytail and start filling my hairline and sparse hair roots with the same black eyeshadow. I highly suggest doing this step because it not only completes the look, but also the mask looks great even in a normal light. I think the most common question gonna be how long it takes to do this look. So yeah guys, I did it in approximately 30 minutes. It's not super complicated, it's quite an easy look. You really don't need a lot of preparation for this. And that completes today's video. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Love you all so much. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And yeah, we'll meet in my next video. Bye!